What if I told you that the very technology we rely on every day could be silently shaping the future of humanity in ways we can't control? As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to transform everything from healthcare to entertainment, it's bringing with some ethical dilemmas that could affect society, the economy, and even our very safety. These unsolved problems could alter how we work, live, and interact in the coming decades. In this video, we'll explore the 8 most pressing ethical issues with AI that could change humanity as we know IT.so. Let's dive in. 1. Algorithmic bias and discrimination. Imagine applying for a job, but the system deciding your fate is biased against you, not because of your qualifications, but because of the data the AI was trained on. AI models are increasingly being used in crucial sectors like hiring, lending, and even the criminal justice system. The problem? AI doesn't come with a clean slate. These systems can inherit and amplify biases from the data they are fed. For example, facial recognition technology has been found to perform poorly on darker skin tones, leading to higher rates of misidentification for people of color. In hiring, certain algorithms tend to favor men over women, or individuals from specific demographic groups over others. When these biases are embedded into AI models, they can perpetuate systemic inequalities in ways that are difficult to detect. The biggest ethical dilemma here is how we ensure fairness in a world where AI, instead of leveling the playing field, may reinforce existing societal divides. 2. The black box problem, lack of transparency. AI has the ability to make decisions faster than any human, but also comes with a major ethical concern: the black box problem. Advanced AI systems, especially deep learning models, often work in ways that are not fully understood, even by their creators. This opacity raises significant issues when it comes to accountability, fairness, and trust. Take healthcare, for example. If an AI model is used to diagnose a patient and makes an error, who is to blame? How can we be sure that the AI made the right decision if we can't even explain how it arrived at its conclusion? This lack of transparency in decision-making is a huge roadblock in sectors like finance, law enforcement, and medicine, where the stakes are incredibly high. If AI is going to play a central role in these areas, we must find ways to make these systems more transparent and understandable, ensuring that humans can step in to correct mistakes when necessary. 3. Generative AI, deepfakes, and misinformation. Imagine seeing a video of a politician you admire saying something completely out of character, or a celebrity endorsing a product they've never even heard of. Thanks to generative AI, this could soon be a reality. AI has the power to create highly realistic deepfakes, synthetic media that can replicate human faces, voices, and behaviors convincingly. These AI tools can be weaponized for misinformation, creating fake videos and audio that can manipulate public opinion, sway elections, or damage reputations. With platforms like deepfake and face swap, anyone can create realistic content without the need for specialized skills. The ethical dilemma here is significant. How we distinguish between truth and fiction when AI can create such realistic, convincing content. The ability of AI to generate misleading content undermines trust in media, leading to a breakdown in the information ecosystem. It's critical that we find ways to combat this without stifling potential for creative uses of AI. 4. Data privacy and surveillance. Data is the lifeblood of AI. For these systems to function, they need access to vast amounts of personal information. This raises serious concerns about privacy and surveillance, particularly when personal data is collected without explicit consent. AI systems are being used for everything from targeted ads to facial recognition in public spaces, and the risks are high. Imagine walking down the street and a hidden camera is using facial recognition to track your every movement. Or think about how your private data, your search history, location, preferences, might be used to influence your decisions without your knowledge. AI-driven surveillance is becoming more pervasive, and the ethical question we face is, how do we balance innovation with privacy? In the age of AI, personal data is often collected automatically, leaving individuals with little control over how their information is used or shared. Without strict regulations, AI could lead to a world where privacy is a thing of the past. 5. Job displacement and economic inequality. With AI rapidly advancing, many fear that automation will replace human workers, especially in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even white-collar jobs like marketing and finance. Projections suggest that by 2030, 30% to 40% of jobs could be disrupted by AI. The ethical challenge here is ensuring that displaced workers are not left behind. While AI has the potential to increase productivity and efficiency, it could also create a massive divide between those who benefit from AI-driven progress and those who lose their livelihoods. Economic inequality could become more pronounced, with only a small elite reaping the rewards of AI innovation, while millions of workers struggle to find new roles. The question we must ask is, how do we ensure this transition, where the benefit of AI are shared by all? Addressing this issue will require thoughtful policies, including retraining programs, universal basic income, or other solutions to ensure fairness in an AI-driven economy. 6. Accountability and liability. One of the most pressing ethical concerns surrounding AI is accountability. As autonomous systems like self-driving cars, drones, and AI-powered medical diagnostic tools become more common, determining who is responsible when something goes wrong is becoming increasingly difficult. If an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, is the liability on the car manufacturer, the software developer, or the AI system itself? In many cases, there is no clear answer. This responsibility gap creates confusion, making it difficult for victims to seek justice or for companies to know how to properly insure these systems. With AI systems taking on more decision-making power, society must grapple with the legal and ethical implications of assigning liability when harm is caused by an autonomous system. Without clear accountability, trust in these technologies could erode, slowing down adoption and innovation. 7. Environmental and sustainability impact. AI isn't just transforming industries. It's also consuming vast amounts of resources. The process of training large AI models requires enormous amount of energy, with data centers running around the clock to power and cool these advanced systems. In fact, it's estimated that by 2026, the energy consumption of AI could exceed 1,000 terawatt-hours, TWh, which is equivalent to the annual electricity consumption of several countries combined. This makes AI's environmental footprint a significant concern, as the technology's rapid growth could contribute to escalating energy demands. While AI is undoubtedly helping industries optimize efficiency, automate processes, and improve productivity, the energy required to maintain these AI models is considerable. With climate change and sustainability becoming increasingly urgent global issues, the ethical dilemma here is balancing AI's potential to solve environmental problems with its growing energy consumption. As AI continues to evolve, it becomes essential to develop more energy-efficient models and practices. This includes optimizing hardware, using renewable energy sources for data centers, and improving AI algorithms to reduce their environmental impact. In doing so, we must ensure AI doesn't inadvertently exacerbate the very environmental crises it is meant to help address. 8. The alignment problem, values, and morality. AI is capable of amazing feats, but one of the biggest challenges we face is ensuring that AI systems align with human values. AI doesn't inherently understand ethics or morality. It simply follows instructions. This creates a situation where AI could act in ways that are counterproductive or even dangerous. For example, imagine an AI tasked with reducing traffic accidents. It might decide that the best way to achieve this is by limiting all car movement, effectively immobilizing cities. While this could theoretically reduce accidents, it's an overly literal approach that doesn't account for broader social context. The alignment problem is about teaching AI to understand human values, ensuring that it doesn't pursue goals in harmful or unintended ways. This is one of the most critical ethical issues in AI development, as it could have disastrous consequences if left unresolved. There you have it, the 8 unsolved ethical problems in AI that could change humanity. From algorithmic bias to environmental impacts, AI is presenting challenges that require thoughtful solutions. The future of AI will not only rely on technological innovation, but on our ability to make ethical decisions for the greater good. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI technologies and their impact on our future. Let me know in the comments which ethical dilemma in AI concerns you the most. I'll see you in the next video.